This video will show you how to change the filter on your Rover system and optionally change out the DI resin inside of the filter. Step 1. Remove the retainers using the included Allen wrench. Step 2. Remove end plug using T-wrench. If you are unable to remove end plug, you can hook up a source hose and use water pressure to remove the end plug. If you are not replacing the DI resin, skip to Step 11. Step 3. Remove DI filter. Step 4. Remove filter top. Step 5. Empty tube and discard all DI resin. Step 6. Be sure to keep the felt circles. Step 7. Begin filling tube with new DI resin. Step 8. Insert felt circle. You will alternate DI resin with felt circles, spacing the felt circles evenly throughout the filter. Step 9. Make sure to tightly pack the resin. Periodically shake filter and top off as needed. Step 10. Reattach the filter top. Step 11. Insert filter into Rover. Step 12. Insert end plug using T-wrench. Step 13. Attach retainers using included Allen wrench.